Hi guys, it's Nikki, creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to show you something very cool that I got from CRICUT. It's the CRICUT Maker and it has so many cool features. So I'm going to unbox it with you. I've never opened or had a CRICUT Maker before, any CRICUT device. And I'm going to show you all the cool features it has and what you get when you buy one. So this is the ultimate smart cutting machine, and it has 4 kilograms of force, which is 10 times the force of an Explorer Air machine. And it is really cool. It comes with all of these cool different things. It is, let me kind of turn this. It has all these different things written right here. It is made for, it looks like mostly Apple devices that you can connect it to in order to make this work. You can cut almost anything with this device. So I'm gonna turn it a little further. It has the premium fine point blade, the rotary blade in it. And then it says here, the ones that written with a 1 come sold separately. So the knife blade, the washable fabric pen, the calligraphy pen, and the scoring stylus, they all come separately. But it does come with a fine point pen right here. So let's see what's in it. Okay, so as I said, I have never had one before, so let's see what's inside one of these boxes. So you get a box here that says, let's get started. To begin, go to cricut.com/setup. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, it's a nice box. Materials for your first project. Okay, it's nicely sealed. Ooh, it comes with some fabrics already. Ooh, that's pretty nice. So it comes with this polka dot fabric, some harder paper, and some a little less harder paper in white. And I'm not sure if you can see, but it has some texture to it. Okay, so let me put that to the side. So I guess you can play around with that. So, and then it comes, of course, with the booklet, where it explains in there how you need to do it, what you can make with it, all the materials, explains exactly the tools and the adaptive tool system. So it's an intelligent system to cut something. That's really cool. I mean, look at this. This is amazing. All right. So this is more kind of a quick reference. All right, then it comes with this blade right here, which I believe is the Rotary Blade. I'm gonna be careful that I'm not cutting myself with that, so I'm gonna put that to the side. Let's see, is there anything else in here? Yes, there is. All right, so here is the pen that I just talked about. Okay, I'll put that right here. So this is a fine tip pen. Yep. I believe that should be the charging cable or the connection cable. And it comes with a warranty, of course, also. All right. So let me get the machine out and we'll take a look on how it looks like inside. So it also comes with these, this is a light grip cutting mat for use of most materials. And then this is a fabric grip cutting pad, a mat for fabrics only. So I guess this is mostly used and this is for fabrics only. So, all right, let's see. So we have here, well, this is the charging cable. Yep, that's it. All right, let's check out the CRICUT Maker. All right, so it's nicely sealed. Ooh, this is pretty. All right, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so it is all sealed. I'm not sure if you can see that. All right, let me cut it open. So here's the CRICUT Maker. Oh my god, it is gorgeous. It's really, really nice. I love that it's not too heavy and it's nice and compact. So as I said, I've never worked with a CRICUT before. Ooh, oh my god, look at this. Whoa. This is kind of opening at the same time. That is so cool. I did not know that. And so this comes out. And then here's, it says here, let me kind of bend a little bit so you can see this. So this is the adaptive tool system right here. And that's how, what cuts it. And underneath, that's where you would probably put the blade. I have to figure that out, where I'm putting everything and how it all works. So it has 4 buttons. And I would have to look where I'm going to put my charging cable. Let me kind of close it again. Ooh, that's nice. Oh yeah, okay, so over there. Ooh, I have to be careful that I'm opening at the same time. Okay, so this is a magnetic system right here. I'm not sure if you can hear it. All right, so then here you can connect your CRICUT Maker with, I believe, your computer or something. And then here is where the charging cable goes in, or the cable to the outlet. So, and then this is the cable that goes over here, so it connects to the computer. So that's all there is in there. So let me kind of spread it out a little bit so you can see. So it comes with 2 different mats, the outlet cable, the connection cable to the computer, the blade, a pen, the warranty, the CRICUT Maker welcome book, and of course materials in order to start your first project. So those are the things that you all get when you get a CRICUT Maker. It is incredible. I am so excited to finally start making my own things. I've been wanting to print my own shirts. My kids have been requesting all these different shirts. So finally I can make it myself without using a different company to produce them for me. I can make them myself. I'm so excited. And also the Easy Press will help me with that, to print things on my shirts. And I'm so excited. So be sure to remember that you need to get all these extra items, such as fabric or something to cut with, so that you can print your things out. It looks like it cuts all these different things. Let me show you one more time. So here again, here's the list of things that all come with the CRICUT Maker. And here's a nice way of showing what everything is. So there's clamp A, clamp B, storage cup that we saw. We found the buttons. And here's where the mat guide. Let me show you the mat guide. So it's so cool that it opens all at the same time. So here's where the mat guide is, right there. And then we have the storage in the door. There's storage in the door? Oh my god, I didn't even know that. Look at that. Oh cool, I can put my stuff in here. All right, I'll put that in there. Look at that. That is so awesome. I had no idea there's... Ooh, I think this is too big for this. Let me see if I can put it over here. I think I have to take this out. All right, I'm going to put that in there. Oh, there you go. Whoa, I did not know there is storage in there. Well, here's another guide. So these little black things are the mat guide. And yeah, it has the USB charging port and yeah, all these different buttons. This is so cool. You can design, here's the designing part, design space, explains exactly what to do. Oh, look at these. This is so cool. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. You can now make all these things. You can cut them all out. You can cut out wood. I mean, that is incredible. If you have kids and they like to do puzzles, I mean, come on, this is really cool. You just cut out all your pieces and then let your children put things together that they've always imagined wanting to have. And of course, it can, you know, cut all your sewing projects. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Oh, I really want to do this. Like a printable for your phone. I mean, literally, it's really amazing. Yeah, so here's the rotary blade that seems like for fabric, and then the knife blade. Oh my God. I mean, that is... So as I said, some of these don't come directly with the box, so you're going to have to buy these separately. But oh my God, look at this one. This is amazing. All right, I am so excited to finally get started. So there's different mats too. It comes with two different ones, as I showed it to you. It comes with the fabric grip mat and the light grip mat. So there's two other ones you can get also. Wow. All right, so, and then of course the quick references and everything. This is amazing. I am so excited to get started, and as soon as I have something, I will of course show to you what I created, and hopefully maybe I can make a tutorial on it and show you what I created as my first project. I am so excited. I hope you too. Be sure to get it. The CRICUT Maker, I believe, is on sale during Black Friday sale. I believe it goes into Cyber Monday, but I'm not exactly sure. But there's a link in the description right below here. And go there, head there, and there's all the things you need. Everything Cricut related, it's right there. You can buy whatever you feel like. This is amazing. Go get your CRICUT Maker. Really, really cool. Thanks for watching, you guys. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. Bye.